So once you have that set time, right? You need to fill that time. You need to make a plan. So when life happens, because who has life happen? Every single one of us, every day, something can happen that can deter you, right? Traffic, you can be late to work. Your kid throws up, whatever. But if you have a plan, you're likely to execute it at the end of the day. If you have a goal, you're committed because it's a priority, and now you have a plan. Now, how do you make a plan? You can write a to-do list. It's your plan. You make it up however you want it. You can write a to-do list. You could do batch content. Brock talked about doing do it in chunks instead of a batch. You can have a power hour. Our team has a power hour. Well, we used to have one every single day. We have wake up and win. So you can fill your schedule, that time that you are intentionally setting aside, with IPAs, intentional IPAs. Like Kelly said earlier, commenting in the groups. Like anything that you plan to have done, have it written down. Write it down. For example, I work 9 to 5. So what does my day look like? I wake up every day, I check the cloud. Some people say don't do that. I do. I'm a numbers person, and I want to know where I start the day, right? Because I have my ultimate goal, so I know what I need to get done. Next, I'm saying hello in my team chat. Every single morning, without fail. I don't care who comments, if nobody replies, but I'm setting the tone that, hey, I'm open. Hey, good morning. I hope you guys have a great day, right? Next, on my way to work, because I work, I am going to send personal voice messages in Messenger. Kenzie talked earlier about videos and how sharing your energy, sharing your excitement, what's more powerful than your voice? Because when you read a text, you can take it out of content. When you read a post, it's too long, you're not even gonna finish it. So if you can send a voice message, I do that every single morning. If you've been the recipient, I love you. But I do that every single morning. And then throughout the day, in the nooks and crannies, because that is how I've built this business, in the nooks and crannies of my day, I follow up with the replies to the voice messages. I reach out to my team. I am replying to yesterday's post comments, right? Because if someone commented or liked it yesterday, I'm gonna reinvigorate that post and go react to it. So throughout the day, I have those. And then you know what I have written in my planner? Because I plan to do it, is any team calls, Le-Vel calls, anything that I have scheduled is written in my planner. So you guys make sure you write it down. The chances of the time it takes you to write it down and then to check it off, it's more likely to get done.